Hi, and welcome to this Flowpaper tutorial, Adjusting Text in the Web Page Builder. In today's tutorial, we're going to go over how to change the font, size, and color of your text, as well as the alignment and how to merge paragraphs. Here we are with our publication open in Flowpaper. Let's head down to our text and take a look at how to edit it. First of all, you can either select columns or paragraphs by clicking on the labels. Here, with paragraphs selected, we can head over to the right side menu and choose a new font family. As you can see, that changed the font for the paragraph we have selected. But what if we want to change the font family for the whole column? Well, then all we have to do is head back over here and select the column, and then change the font family. The same thing goes for font color. If I have the paragraph selected and change the font color, it only changes that specific paragraph. Let's say we also want to change the font size of the first paragraph. Again, let's select the paragraph. Now we can head over to the font size option over here. Flowpaper uses the same font sizing as the web. So if you're familiar with web font sizing, you can type 20px and your font will be changed to 20 pixels. Similarly, if you are familiar with the EM format, you can type in 1.5 EM and hit enter. Your font size will be set for that format. If you aren't familiar with these kinds of font size formats, you can find lots of tutorials online explaining the many different options available. If you want to make it a 200% font, that will work perfectly as well. Or smaller also works. Okay, now let's take a look at text editing. To do this, double-click on your paragraph. This will activate the text editing mode, and then you are able to choose any part of the paragraph that you may want to format differently than the rest, and then edit it with the toolbar that appears above. Then, all we have to do is click outside of the text box and the changes will be saved. And what if you wanted to move two different text blocks together, but you want to preserve their formatting? Flowpaper gives you this option. If you select one of the paragraphs, you simply have to drag and drop it onto the paragraph with which you would like it merged. Make sure to drop it in the correct area. If you drop the paragraph on top of the title of another paragraph, it doesn't merge them. You want to drop the paragraph into the body of the text of the other paragraph. See how those two paragraphs merge perfectly? Flowpaper makes it easy for you to format your text. Finally, let's take a look at alignment. As you can see, these columns are formatted to be centered. If you want, you can change the alignment for the whole column to be left aligned, or if you just want to change the paragraph alignment, select the paragraph. Let's change the horizontal alignment of the whole column. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching this Flowpaper tutorial on adjusting text in the Web Page Builder. You can find more tutorials to help you through this process online.